All right, here's our 3D rendering for the kitchen, the revised drawings. Start with the bar, 15-inch wine for under counter fridge, ice maker, drawer stacks. This cabinet will have the pull-outs, floating shelves, and these will terminate at the ceiling as well as here. 36-inch fridge, 24-inch wine column, 36-inch freezer. The hood wall, 48-inch range. Hood is of course centered, and this is 52 because the insert is probably 48, so we need to have the cabinet a little bigger. And it looked better having the drawer banks equal. If we made this floating shelf, this space is equal, the range is pushed pretty far to the right and kind of close in the corner. This is 24 deep. The bottom of the hood is at 72 inches. These would be stained, and I believe are both islands stained. But here's our big pot and pan drawers. One thing we don't have is the spice pull-out, but that may not be an issue. I mean, we've got tray divider storage in one of these cabs. Our sink wall. Come on, computer. I need to know if that's an apron sink, trash and recycling. So that's a dead corner. If we have a drawer here and a drawer here, that's going to be a dead corner. The only way around that is a Lazy Susan or a blind corner unit. That cabinet would go all the way to the back, but we wouldn't be able to put our trash here. This could stay the same. If we put a Lazy Susan, we don't have enough room for a Lazy Susan and trash because the Lazy Susans come out 12 inches on each side. So that's going to throw off balance these two. Our number 2 island with overhang here and here. So these are just 12 inches deep. These are 24 deep, 24 deep. So your countertop will be say 4 feet for the cabinets plus 1.5 inches on each end for overhang. This island, these are 24 and this is 12. So this island will be probably 39 and this one 51-ish in width. Same length. I'll send you all the elevation views with notes. The front of the island facing the range, back of it. And then these wings that come out. There's the depth. There's the depth. Okay, let me know. Thanks.